This is Go MMT Radio.
Go MMT Radio. Let's go.
Powered by Make My Trip, Go IBBO and Redbus.
क्या हुआ है?
बधाई हो, Go Tripper हुआ है.
Welcoming new Go Tripper in the family.
It's a Monday. आप सुन रहे Go MMT Radio. मैं हूँ RJ Ruby and Mondays को we bring a segment called बधाई हो, and joining me on the show today is Sanjana Bhargava, who is from the Holiday Operations Department, Gurgaon. Sanjana, कैसी हो? Welcome to Go MMT and बधाई हो.
Thank you so much, Ruby.
You've recently joined us, तो मुझे अपने बारे में बताओ. When did you join MMT?
Okay, so Ruby, I joined MMT in the month of February. And I think this is my third month now. And so far, everything has been really, really good. The people here are really warm. And I have, I have felt so welcomed here. And I've never felt, that I'm annoying my colleagues. They're really helpful whenever I go to them. I ask them anything. Even if I'm going them for the 10th time for the same question, they're always really helpful. And I really like that fact.
I think ये एक ऐसी बात है जो हर कोई कहता है, right? Whoever I speak to जो join करते हैं, they always say कि people are very nice, people are very welcoming, and you're also feeling the same. तो क्या ये आपकी पहली जॉब है या where have you come from?
ये मेरी तीसरी जॉब है, and इससे पहले भी मैं ट्रैवल कंपनीज में ही थी. But this is my third job, and earlier, my experience, I would say, was not that good. मतलब मुझे थोड़ा सा डर रहता था कि how would be my manager be like, and how will be my colleagues, will they be helpful? क्योंकि वो थोड़ा डर रहता है, because आप उनसे ही सब कुछ सीखते हो, अपना प्रोसेस कैसे क्या करना है. तो मुझे उस चीज़ को लेके काफ़ी डर था. बट यहाँ पे आके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि सब लोग इतने वार्म है, इतने हेल्पफुल हैं. तो एकदम थोड़ा स्मूथ एंड इजी जर्नी हो जाती है अगर आपको लोग अच्छे मिल जाते हैं अपनी टीम में.
Absolutely, I agree with you on this. And people are the ones जिनके साथ हम ज्यादा वक्त बिताते हैं. अगर देखा जाए तो अपने घर वालों से भी ज्यादा वक्त हम अपने ऑफिस में बिताते हैं. And if you get people who are accommodating and welcoming and who create a great atmosphere, और क्या चाहिए, right? संजना, ये आपकी तीसरी जॉब है और आपने हमें थोड़ी देर पहले बताया कि how you are already feeling very welcomed and आप सेटल हो चुकी हैं. तो आपके रोल के बारे में बताइए, क्या करती हैं आप?
Okay, so I'm into holiday operations and majorly I'm handling Europe and उसमें भी CIS countries, for example Azerbaijan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Georgia, all of these destinations. So in destinations ka operations part basically, so I'm in touch with my vendors and then we have our relationship officers here. So, just managing all of these countries and इनका operations and जो भी customers के आगे needs होते हैं, so we take care of that also.
Wow, that sounds exciting. और जो countries आपने you've just mentioned, super cool. So do you plan to travel as well?
I really, really wish to, and I'm someone who loves traveling and I'm really looking forward to travel all these countries because आजकल काफी trending भी है Azerbaijan और ये सारी CIS destinations. There are a lot of people going here. तो I hope मुझे MMT के थ्रू ही जाने को मिल जाए.
We hope and wish the same as well. तो संजना, 3 महीने हो चुके हैं. Tell me about your onboarding process. कैसा रहा?
Onboarding process was really good. The best part I think was the immersion program we had. Recently I finished it. And मतलब मैंने कभी किसी से भी अपने ex colleague से या friend से सुना कि ऐसा कुछ process किसी और कंपनी में होता है. we got to meet the leaders, हर डिपार्टमेंट के बारे में पता चला कि कौन कौन से लाइन ऑफ बिजनेसेस हैं MMT में, उनको कौन कौन लीड करता है. इवन थोड़ा ब्रीफ भी मिला कि सारे डिपार्टमेंट्स कैसे कैसे प्रोसेस करते हैं. वी ऑल्सो गॉट टू मीट राजेश सर. सो आई रियली लाइक द इमर्शन वाला पार्ट. एंड लास्ट डे हमारा फील्ड विजिट भी था. सो एक प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच भी पता चली कि कैसे ऑपरेशंस होते हैं होटल्स के. So yeah, I think I really loved that process, the part of immersion. Yeah.
So this entire process that you're talking about, one takeaway from it would be?
So I got to know, I met so many people during the immersion, the leaders, and जैसे जो holidays के vice president हैं, Jasmeet sir, he has been here in the company for last 24 years. And there are many such leaders जो कि काफी टाइम से हैं MMT में. So we got to know कि it's not just horizontally also, vertically also you can grow in the company. You can switch departments if you want to, if you feel like, you know, you are suitable for some other department or you want to explore some other department. MMT provides you that opportunity also. So that was like a really, you know, good takeaway from here.
Super. So let's get to know you personally. Tell me a little more about yourself.
Okay, so I am from Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and I have been living in Gurgaon पिछले 1 साल से. I am into traveling and photography. So जब भी टाइम मिलता है, these are the 2 things I go for.
अच्छा, तो आप ग्वालियर से हैं?
हाँ जी.
ओके, तो आप ग्वालियर से ऐसा क्या मिस कर रहे हैं गुड़गांव में?
मेनली माय फैमिली एंड घर का खाना. घर का खाना,
हाँ. एंड what do you love the most about Gurgaon, and what is one thing that you are still trying to adjust with?
So I think it's the you know, the people and the company which make you feel the best, and I have a lot of friends here in Gurgaon and Delhi. So that is the best part. That is why, you know, I am able to, you know, adjust and live here just because of my friends. And adjusting part would be the extreme weather here and the dust and pollution.
Extreme weather, dust and pollution, yes, definitely. And I was thinking कि by now तो आप मोमो कल्चर को आपने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया होगा.
Oh yeah, I love momos.
क्योंकि जितने भी हैं गुड़गांव से या दिल्ली से, when we ask them what do they love the most, मोमोज का नाम और मोमोज की जिक्र तो होती ही रहती है, तो मुझे लगा कि you will talk about momos as well. तो संजना, I have a fun game with you. It's called Never Have I Ever. ठीक है?
Okay.
So never have I ever traveled outside of my home country.
I have not.
Never. Okay. Never have I gone skydiving.
Not yet.
Never have I ever tried bungee jumping.
No, not yet.
Never have I ever been on a blind date.
I have been.
Okay. Never have I ever dyed my hair a crazy color.
Never.
Never have I eaten food from a food truck. Never have I ever bargained at a store.
Come on, I'm a girl. That's not possible. Obviously, I have.
Absolutely. Okay. Never have I ever banged another vehicle while parking.
Never.
Okay. Never have I ever gone on a trip with friends.
I have multiple times.
Okay. Never have I ever had a chai at a roadside tea shop.
I'm not a chai person. I love coffee.
Okay. Never have I ever danced in the lift while no one was watching.
I wish I did that, but no.
Okay. What made you decide to join MMT?
So MMT was always in my, you know, like wish list. It was my dream company, honestly, because I come from a travel background. I have done my master's in tourism. So I always wanted to go and work in MMT, and it still feels like a dream. I am still in the process to accept the fact that I'm working in MMT.
Superb. So the kind of work that you are doing, उसमें सबसे challenging आपको क्या लगता है, and what are you very excited about?
So challenges in my role are कि customers की तरफ से, you know, there are a lot of escalations. अगर customer on ground है, उसको वहाँ पे कुछ problems face हो रहे हैं, उसको होटल में check-in नहीं मिल रहा है, या फिर ड्राइवर लेट आ रहा है, तो वो सारे challenges होते हैं कि वो कभी भी आ सकते हैं, दिन में, रात में, कभी भी आ जाते हैं, and वो tackle करना, फिर vendor से पता करना कि क्या error आ रहा है, क्या problem आ रही है. So वो वाला part थोड़ा challenging रहता है, because वो जल्दी से जल्दी हमें sort करना होता है, कस्टमर क्योंकि वेट कर रहा होता है. So that is the only challenge I feel, but also all of these things make my role really interesting, क्योंकि कभी भी कुछ भी आ जाता है, कहीं से भी, कभी कस्टमर को कुछ चाहिए, कभी कुछ हो गया, कभी वेंडर के साइड से कुछ मिस हो गया. So you know, this makes it interesting also. ऐसा नहीं है कि बस ऑफिस में आके सेम चीज ही करना वाले रोज.
हाँ, सही. और what's your favorite thing about working in this industry?
The fact that I make trips for people, and you know, मेरी वजह से या मेरे कारण कोई ट्रैवल कर पा रहा है, मैं उनकी बुकिंग्स कर रही हूँ, मैं नहीं कर पा रही तो दूसरे ही सही.
Sweet, that's a nice feeling, right?
Yeah.
Okay, superb. Chalo, Sanjana, when we come back, we're going to do a rapid fire round.
The rapid fire round.
So Sanjana, that one household chore that you hate to do लेकिन करना ही पड़ता है.
Cooking, like vegetable, like I do not like to chop vegetables. I like to cook, but I do not like to chop vegetables.
One food that you can survive on 365 days.
Dal chawal, the best.
Dal chawal. And I would add a little papad and pickle as well. Aha, that is sorted. Okay. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
I think my last trip was to Goa.
Okay, nice. Okay, quickly choices. Beach vacation or mountain getaway?
Beach.
Dogs या cats?
Dogs.
Book or movie?
Movie.
Pizza or burger?
Pizza.
Morning person या night owl?
Night owl.
Summer या winter?
Winter.
Sweet या savory?
Savory.
Instagram या YouTube?
Instagram.
Sneakers or heels?
Sneakers.
Okay. Texting या calling?
Calling.
Comedy या thriller?
Thriller.
Okay. Superb. So I think we got to know you, Sanjana, and we wish you the best. अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके. We hope you have a successful stint at MMT. एक बार फिर से आपको बधाई हो.
Thank you, Ruby.
Bye. So that was fun, and with that we've come to the end of the show. मुलाकात होगी आपसे कल. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिए, खुश रहिए. And the best thing about MMT is मैं जिनसे भी बात करती हूँ, हर कोई मुझसे ये कहता है कि कल्चर अच्छा है, लोग अच्छे हैं, एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा है. So keep the good work going and be the way you are. इसी के साथ इजाजत दीजिए. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.
कदे सूरज वांगू तपदा, सूरज वांगू तपदा, कदे शांत सवेरे वरगाया. मां मैनू लगदा रहिंदा मैं जमा तेरे वरगाया. मां मैनू लगदा रहिंदा मैं जमा तेरे वरगाया. हो कई वारी बापू वांगू दुनिया ते हरक जा जांदा, पर हर वारी मां तेरे वांगू तरस जा जांदा. कई कहंदे आया चेहरा, कहंदे आया चेहरा जमा तेरे चेहरे वरगाया. मां मैनू लगदा रहिंदा मैं जमा तेरे वरगाया. मां मैनू लगदा रहिंदा मैं जमा तेरे वरगाया.
Good morning, make my trip. This is Vrinder Sehwag on your very own Go MMT Radio. Get set, go.
Go MMT Radio. Get set, go. To listen to your favorite Go MMT Radio from anywhere, follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Visit the Go MMT Radio page for daily updates and enjoy listening to your favorite radio channel.